Firstly, let's understand what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your online content to make it more visible and attractive to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. One of the key elements of SEO is using relevant keywords in your content. These are the words and phrases people might use when searching for information related to your business or website. Creating high-quality, valuable content around these keywords is crucial for SEO success. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements on your actual website. This includes optimizing title tags, meta descriptions, and headings. Search engines use these elements to understand the content and relevance of your pages. Off-page SEO is about building authority and trust for your website. This includes getting backlinks from reputable sources, social media engagement, and online mentions. The more trustworthy and authoritative your site appears, the higher it will rank in search results. Technical SEO focuses on the technical aspects of your website, such as site speed, mobile optimization, and crawlability. A well-optimized site not only provides a better user experience but also ranks higher in search engine results. For businesses targeting local audiences, local SEO is crucial. This involves optimizing your online presence for local searches, including setting up a Google My Business profile and getting positive reviews. Analytics play a vital role in SEO. Monitoring your website's performance, tracking keyword rankings, and analyzing user behavior help you make data-driven decisions to continuously improve your SEO strategy. Why is SEO important? Simply put, it increases your online visibility, drives organic traffic, and helps you reach your target audience. A well-optimized website is like a magnet, attracting potential customers to your business. Now that you understand the basics of SEO, imagine what it could do for your business. If you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, we're offering a free consultation. Click the link below to schedule your consultation and let us help you unlock the full potential of your website. Thank you for watching the video. If you think this video is informative for your business, then like or share this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.